Alright, now you're on.
Fuck. Okay, put it together dry. Well, you know, first you've got to get the old wrap on. Right? Well, this is the top and front. Oh. Yep. Right, so here we have the back of the dryer. Okay, I need Alright, okay, good. That sludge is creeping towards me. We might need to lift, or we should really unpack this outside. There.
What, do you want to take it outside the kitchen?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Ah, I see a plug. I recognize that.
Well spotted.
Right. So, whatever. So this is like all I need to plug in. Okay. I don't know where to put the sludgy mop.
Try, I don't know, sticking it in the corner. Ah, besides Nick room.
Yeah.
Ah, brilliant idea.
Oh! Fuck! Shit's flying in the thing! Oh god, it's everywhere!
What did you do?
I just what I did.
You broke, oh Jesus, so.
Well, who the fuck is... Okay, that's all.
He's gonna be pissed if it comes back and finds out all the shit's at his door.
Right, we need another bin bag. Where do we keep that?
Top left cupboard. Top left cupboard.
Where's the top left cupboard?
No, sorry, cupboard beside it. No, left side cupboard beside it. I meant that one, so. No, left. Yes.
Oh, we don't
Oh,
open
look,
it up.
I was wrong.
Oh, I just want to put the dryer in. I'm looking for my thing. Okay, fuck that. Oh, fuck. Oh, for fuck. Okay, now, I'm ready. I'm waiting.
Overfill, news dryer.
I thought it ripped the line or something. Oh, we need the shit. What, do you think we just put it on top of the shit?
Yeah.
Serious?
No, seriously. Who's gonna know if it's on top of it?
It might grow into some sort of, like...
Super monster
primordial soup and then evolve.
Yeah, that might take a couple of thousand years though, so.
Ah! Seriously, explorers can fuck off.
Alright, we find.
Can you not lift a bit?
But I'm recording.
Sit there a minute.
You want to have it?
Yeah.
Wait, find what? There's nothing to say.
Power. It's like, girl.
And shut. Oh,
He's
how the hell did to cover that?
What? Oh,
No, seriously. That's it.
Is it gone?
Now, plug it in.
Just plug in here, right?
Yeah. How about would you be if it didn't reach though?
Okay, so I can got a light on. That's how you install a dryer. Okay.
Now, how do you work it?
Alright, well, this is a heat setting. This is numbers.
We could be here for a while.
Okay, this is some sort of reverse tumble. What the fuck is that?
Maybe it's a time machine.
100 is a good solid number. Oh, shit in here. Right, I've got some close in, and then I press go. Right. Ensure door is fully pushed in. Alright. And begin.
This could take a while.